another one of Bo Lace's video films. Alright, in a baseball game, I am the pitcher, and we'll see what happens next. Okay, so what's your name? You, I'm talking to you.
What?
Okay, whatever. Just continue the game. Ready?
The X.
Shut up.
Ow! 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 Ow!
What are you doing?
No,
Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh! Oh! Oh!
That's right.
Oh!
What'd you say, Mom?
Oh, God! Oh! Oh, you hit me! Ow! You hit me again. I seek revenge. Till next time.
Later that day, at the press conference.
Hockey stick! Ah! Fight. Forget this.
Later that day, at the
Boom.
conference,
Boom.
he was asked many questions.
Sir, what happened on the field yesterday?
I simply didn't mean it. He got in the way of my baseball swing, and he is dead now. But I wish him shut up and die.
I'm already dead. Okay?